Given all the alternatives out there, have you ever wondered what grocery bag would have the least impact to the environment? Let's take a test. Given the following, rank from greatest to least potential impact to the environment. Time is up. Most of you would rank plastic bag as number 1, paper bag as number 2, and cloth bag as number 3. So what was your basis? Most of you would rank them by experience. Example. A lot of you picked plastic as number 1 for the following reason. It is difficult to dispose to them. They get ingested by animals. They clog our drainage systems. These are all true, but this is only half the story. To understand them better, we need to measure their impact to the environment from the production to the disposal of the item. This process is called the life cycle assessment. With this, we answer the following question. After answering all these questions, we will be able to understand more about the item. Let's start with plastic. Plastic bags are made of polymers that came from petroleum or natural gas. Although petroleum is a natural resource that cannot be replenished on a human timescale, our society has become adept at making plastics for petroleum products with reasonable efficiency. While high temperatures are required to convert the feedstock to common starting materials like propane, ethylene, the use of catalysts in industrial plastic manufacturing ensures that these starting materials can be made into polymers with good efficiency. Paper bag. Paper products are manufactured using a long string of energy-intensive manufacturing methods. In addition to cutting down and mining trees to make the raw materials for modern paper, paper processing is an energy-intensive and fairly polluting process. To make paper, the timber must be debarked and chipped. Then the remaining materials must be pulped and refined before the paper making ever truly begins. In addition, paper production smells unpleasant, and production of a variety of pollutants including dimethyl sulfide and methanol. And what about reusable cotton bag? While cotton can be grown and then spun into bag, large-scale cotton agriculture, typical occur on arid land, require a large amount of water for irrigation. Furthermore, the use of pesticides significantly increase the carbon footprint of pollution associated with growing cotton and making cotton products. Here is a quick summary of the following bags. Here you can see how efficient plastic is. Given only a small portion of water is needed to make one, while making a paper requires a lot of water. It is also stated here that after 8 uses, a reusable bag would be very efficient rather than using a plastic bag. A few years ago, Laguna started to go with the ban the use of plastic. So were they wrong, given that plastic is efficient in terms of energy, less emission, and production? Of course not. The environmental consequences of improperly disposed plastic bags and bottles can still be devastating. And this is primarily what the cities are trying to avoid. For me, the best way to solve the problem is to start using reusable bags made out of recycled plastic. They could be more energy consuming in the short run, but definitely more efficient in the long run if made durable. As in the chart says, after 8 uses, it is already more efficient than plastic.